the next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see nested for loop statement. So, what is meant by nested for loop means if we use for loop inside one for loop, or you can say if you use multiple for loops one inside one, then it is known as nested for loop. Let us see the syntax for this nested for loop. This nested for loop is first you need to give for loop, outer for loop, then inside the brackets of this for again we are using another for. So this is the syntax of the nested for loop. You can use another for loop also inside this. So this is meant by nested for loop. Let us consider a small example for the better understanding. So for this I am taking int I comma j. Here I am declaring I and here I am declaring j. Now I am assigning the value of I like 1. Here I am giving the condition. Suppose if I less than or equals to something number like 5, I am going to increment the value of I like this. The next here I am giving like similar thing I am giving here. Here I want to print if I run the program. You can check out the output when I equals to 1, j equals to 1, j equal to 3, j equal to 4, 5. Again when I equals to 2, it will printing the same value, then 3, then 4, then 5. So like this I am going to print the value of I and j using this nested for loop. I have taken a simple example for the understanding purpose. So this is the use of nested for. When we use inside a for loop another for loop, then it is called a nested for. So thank you for the watching.